In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Gojo Satoru in C's Battlegrounds. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to unlock Gojo Satoru as a character in C's Battlegrounds. As you can see, when you join C's Battlegrounds for the first time, you will have access to 3 characters during the time that I'm recording this video. Then you have an early access character, and over here you have a locked character. This is actually Gojo, but we cannot access him. This is because we need to complete a certain quest to unlock Gojo. So to find the NPC that gives us this quest, just find the current champion's leaderboard and then go forward from here. You will start to see this NPC leaning against his house. This NPC is actually Gojo. So if we talk to Gojo, we can accept a quest here. Now, I went ahead and I already accepted this quest, but for the first time you talk to Gojo, there's going to be a lot of dialogue and you can answer that you are ready to start their trial. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about all of the objectives. So as you can see, what he is telling us is that we need to complete 3 main objectives. For the first one, you will need to win 3 ranked games in a row. So you need to win 3 games without losing in between. Next, you need to win in total 33 matches. These don't have to be in a row, but you will need to complete 33 matches in total. Next, defeat 100 players in ranked, and if you complete all of these objectives in ranked, you will be able to talk to Gojo again to unlock them as a character. You will have access to the full moveset, and you will be able to battle others in public or private servers as Gojo Satoru. So once again, to summarize, win 3 ranked games in a row, so 3 games without losing in between, win 33 matches in total, these don't have to be in a row, and defeat 100 players. After you do all of these quests, you can talk to Gojo again and you will be able to find him unlocked right here. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Gojo Satoru in C's Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.